What is going on, Motley Garagers? Alright, so today in Tinkercad, for today's vlog, for a customer, I wanted to design myself a little cup coaster myself, but I'm designing these little cup coaster holders. I just got done printing one out of the PLA ABS. Trying to hurry up. Oh, wait a minute, wrong one I'm grabbing. But 0.4 nozzle. Let's quickly go over here to Cura. Take a look at my settings. I was just printing a draft. Cura said 1 hour and 23 minutes. The printer is 1 hour and 57 minutes. Not that bad today. Usually it'll tell me 2 hours and it'd be like a 9-hour print. But that's because my Cura settings was way off when it restarted. It restarted with a 0.4 nozzle, and at the time I was printing with 0.3 nozzle, so my times were way off. When I was printing these shoes, the layer height was off. Everything just wasn't fixing, so I had to fix that. It was a big issue, so I got that out to the customer, the 3 shoes, and now I'm finishing up that. But what I want to do is go outside and we take a look at the mutt grom. Alright, got my AC on. It's hot outside. It's hot in the house. So, cooking a ham out here in the shed. Gotta get ready to pour some more Sprite, well, bootleg Sprite, some Faygo on it. But anyways, you guys know how I keep breaking. Oh, and today I was taking a picture and I dropped my mutt grom. So now I'm gonna 3D print me some levers. I don't know if that's gonna work. Probably out of PTEG or ABS, but I could just order some off Amazon. What did I want to talk about? The boat. So, the boat broke again on me when I was hitting the jumps and stuff, so I decided to fix that. I had a tiny little quad that we pulled out this 50cc motor, and we're going to turn it into a 150 or a 125. We got the SSR 125 head and jug, so we're thinking let's just do that. So the bottom of the motor of the frame and the swing arm, it had bottom motor mounts that was connected in here, so I cut it off. It kind of looked like what was on my SSR TR frame. Right? Yeah, we're not going to go in there with all them bees. But anyways, it was like a little 4-bolt thing. So I'm going to try and see if I can get you guys a view. Oh, let's see here. Alright, excuse the welding, but this right here was connected to the swing arm. There was a little bolt hole here that, connected to the swing arm. Kind of like what Moto Cheese did. Well, he did better. He had actual steel. Let me see if I can get under here and not zoom, right? We don't want to zoom. Alright, my bike's always muddy. So, I welded. Oh, my battery went off. Here and here, I welded these plates on, these 2 plates, and they bolted up there, so I just cut that off. And the bike, my chain is nice and tight now again, no more rattling. Went down and I loosened this bolt up before I bolted those up and set it under the frame when I grinded down the metal. And I used my jack stand and I got the motor to sit up right. And then I went on ahead and I started tacking it, let it cool down. And I went on ahead and tightened that bolt down and then welded it up fully. So I rode it up to the store today. It rode good, except for my brake lever. I gotta go and wash mutt grom because he's dirty. He's always dirty. Hitting this jump, man. We're riding in the trails with the go-kart. My brother was riding. He crashed my mutt grom. He don't like manuals. So, but it was cool to see him ride again. But I want to say like, share, subscribe. Peace and love. God bless. I want to see you guys out riding or see you guys out driving your RC cars or, I see some trail videos going on. Moto Cheese getting out a bunch of trail videos, We got to get more videos out so that way we all can stay positive and, bump all this negative stuff that's going on in the world. Let's see some positive stuff that's going on in the world. I want to thank Mike for coming over and helping me fix my welder because it was jammed up. I don't know anything about welders. But yeah, the ham's looking good. Got some pineapples in there and a bunch of brown sugar in there. All right, you guys. I'm gonna finish cooking this. I'm gonna actually go ahead today and I'm going to put this Amazon carb on. The last time I tried to put it on, it just started flowing fuel everywhere. My buddy Dave told me to turn it upside down and blow through it and see if the float was going. Nothing was coming through. It was actually sealing up. So hopefully I got the float set right. I'm going to try and put that on the bike. Got Adrian's bike back together, quad back together. Oh no! That's not good. I'll recheck that float bowl. We'll set that over there. I'm going to finish cooking. And yeah, you guys. I'll see you guys later. All right, peace out.